Namaste and welcome to Hindi Classroom. In this video, we are about to learn a poem titled Ek Din Ka, which is written by Ayodhya Singh Upadhyay Hariod. Through this poem, the poet has taught not to be proud. Sometimes, even the smallest thing can break the biggest pride. The poet is referring to one such incident in this poem. Once he was standing on the gable of his roof, full of pride. Then suddenly a straw fell in his eyes. He got restless. The eyes turned red and started hurting. People came to his aid and they helped him to remove the straw in his eyes using a piece of cloth. All the pride of the writer was blown away by that little straw. Somehow, when the straw came out of his eyes, the author's wisdom taunted him as to what he was so adamant about. Just a little straw is enough to loosen his pride. Let's listen to the poem. एक दिन का पहाड़ तेरा मैं घमंडों में भरा एंटा हुआ एक दिन जब था मुंडेर पर खड़ा आ अचानक दूर से उड़ता हुआ एक दिन का आंख में मेरी पड़ा मैं झिझक उठा हुआ बेचैन सा लाल होकर आंख भी दुखने लगी मूंद देने लोग कपड़े की लगे एंड बेचारी दबे पाँव बगी जब किसी ठब से निकल तिनका गया तब समझने यूं मुझे ताने दिए एंडता तू किस लिए इतना रहा एक दिन का है बहुत तेरे लिए. Now let's see the meaning of the lines given in the first stanza. मैं घमंडों में भरा एंटा हुआ. Ghamand means arrogant. Bhara means filled. एक दिन जब था मुंडेरे पर खड़ा. One day when I was standing on the mount. आ अचानक दूर से उड़ता हुआ. आ अचानक, अचानक means suddenly. दूर से उड़ता हुआ. So something came flying from afar. एक तिनका आंख में मेरी पड़ा. तिनका means straw. एक तिनका a straw fell in my eye. Let's see the next stanza. मैं झिझक उठा हुआ बेचैन सा. झिझक, झिझक का मतलब है to hesitate. So I was hesitated and became restless. बेचैन means restless. लाल होकर आंख भी दुखने लगी. लाल होकर आंख भी दुखने लगी. दुखना means to get pain, to cause pain. So my eyes turned red and it was painful. मूंद देने लोग कपड़े की लगे. मूंद देने लोग. So people came to help him with a piece of cloth and they tried to take the piece of straw out of his eyes. And बेचारी दबे पाँव बगी. And means pride. So here, as soon as the piece of straw was taken out of his eyes by the people, his pride was buried. जब किसी ठब से निकल तिनका गया. जब किसी ठब, ठब means a manner. So somehow the piece of straw was taken out of his eyes. तब समझने यूं मुझे ताने दिए. तब समझ, समझ means understanding. ताने दिए, ताना means to taunt. So my understanding taunted me like this. एंडता तू किस लिए इतना रहा. So it started asking me like this, why did you bring so much? एक तिनका है बहुत तेरे लिए. And it reminded that one straw is enough for you to get rid of your pride. Let's look at the arth and samanarth of the new words. Ain't, akad, ahankar, gamand, मुंडेर, छत का किनारा, तिनका, सूखी घास का टुकड़ा, चिचक, हिचकना, मूंड, कपड़े को मोड़कर गोलाकार बनाया हुआ, दबे पांव भागना, चुपके से निकल जाना, ढब, तरीका, विधि, ढंग, समझ, अकल, बुद्धि, ताने देना, व्यंग्य करना, बेचैन होना, दर्द से दुखी होना. Let's see the English word meanings. Gamand, arrogance. Mundher, edge of the roof. Tinka, a piece of dry grass. Chichak, hesitate. Moond, folded cloth. Dabe paon, bagna, to sneak away. Dhab, method. Samaj, intelligence. Tane dena, to tease. Let's look at the answers. The first one, एक तिनका कविता में किस घटना की चर्चा की गई है जिससे घमंड नहीं करने का संदेश मिलता है? Which event is mentioned in this poem and it is discussed so as not to boast? The answer is, एक दिन अचानक कवि की आंख में तिनका गिरा और वह बेचैन हो गया. One day, suddenly a piece of straw fell into the eyes of the poet and he became restless. इस घटना से कवि को यह बात समझ में आ गई कि आदमी को परेशान करने के लिए एक तिनका ही काफी है. From this incident, the poet realized that a small piece of straw can bother a man. अतः मनुष्य को किसी बात का घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए. Therefore, it gives us the message that we should not be arrogant. The next question. आंख में तिनका पड़ने के बाद घमंडी की क्या दिशा हुई? What happened to the arrogant after getting a speck in the eye? The answer is, घमंडी के आंख में तिनका पड़ने पर उसकी आंख लाल होकर दुखने लगी. When the straw falls in the arrogant's eyes, his eyes turned red and started hurting. वह बेचैन हो गया और उसका सारा एंड समाप्त हो गया. He became restless and all his cramp ended. The next question. घमंडी की आंख से तिनका निकालने के लिए उसके आसपास के लोगों ने क्या किया? What did the people around him do to take the straw out of the eye? Answer is, घमंडी की आंख से तिनका निकालने के लिए उसके आसपास के लोगों ने कपड़े की मूंद बनाकर उसकी आंख पर लगाया. To take the straw out of his eye, the people around him wrapped a cloth and applied to his eye, और तिनका निकालने का प्रयास किया, and tried to take out the straw. Hope this video was useful. Please do like, share and subscribe the video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.